2 ways to crochet with medium and long needles. Prepare yarn and crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around your fingers. The end of the line is wound into a loop with the tail on top. There are 2 ways to hold a crochet hook. One is like holding a fruit knife and the other is like holding a writing pen. The first step is to start the needle. Pass the hook from bottom to top through the loop. Crochet hook winding. Then hook back. Grab the tail of the yarn and pull it tight. Then adjust the loop on the crochet hook to the appropriate size. The coil can move freely on the crochet hook. This way we have completed the stitching. Step R. Crochet lock stitch. Crochet hook winding. Then hook back. This completes a lock stitch. Repeat this action to crochet more stitches. You can reach the length you need. After the lock needle is hooked, make a mark on the last lock stitch. Step 3. Add a lock stitch as the starting stitch. Wrap the line around and hook it back. Complete a lock stitch. Step 4. Hook to the middle length needle. Wrap the wire around. Then the hook goes through the marked chain stitch. Wrap the line again and hook it back. There are 3 loops on the hook at this time. Wind the wire again. Hook through the 3 loops on the crochet hook. This completes a medium length needle. Take the next one, winding a circle through the lock needle. Wrap the line again and hook it back. Wind the wire again. Hook it through the 3 loops. Complete the second medium length stitch. Keep repeating this action. Repeat until all the chain stitches are done. Knit to the first lock stitch and the first row of medium and long stitches is completed. Each frame will have a V-shaped stitch. Make a mark on the last stitch. Start from the second row. The hook can be passed through one side of the needle. You can also pass it under the needle. The woven pattern has ups and downs when woven from one side, which is more three-dimensional. The texture is woven from the bottom and the surface is relatively smooth. Let's first look at the knitting method from the needle side. First, add a lock stitch as the starting stitch. Wrap the line around and hook it back. Complete a lock stitch. Start the second row. Wind the middle length needle once. Pass through the left side of the marked needle hole. Wrap the line again and hook it back. Grab the wire again and pass it through the 3 coils to hook it out. Complete a medium length stitch. Continue to the next stage. Continue knitting this row and repeat the next row in the same way. Knit to desired size. This weaving method is more three-dimensional. Let's take a look at the knitting method of passing through the needle mesh. Similarly, at the beginning of each row, add a lock stitch as the starting stitch. Wrap the line around and hook it back. Complete a lock stitch. Winding a circle. The hook passes under the marked stitch. Wrap the line again and hook it back. Wrap the wire again and pass it through the 3 coils to hook it out. Complete a medium length stitch. Continue to the next stitch. After finishing this row, repeat the next row in the same way. Knit to desired size. This weave is relatively smooth. Finally, let us see how to finish the weaving. Leave about 5 mm of yarn for the tail. Then cut. Then hook the tail of the yarn out of the loop of the crochet hook. Pull the tail of the yarn to tighten the loop. Hide the 2 tails of the yarn. Can be hidden with a sewing needle. Threading the yarn through the eye of a needle. Pass the yarn through several needles. After hiding, cut off the excess yarn. Can also be hidden with crochet. The hook passes under the needle. Hook the yarn over. Hook it from the other side. This way, go back and forth through several stitches. After hiding, cut off the excess yarn. In this way, we have completed a piece of fabric crocheted with a medium long needle.